Let us discuss on the topic artificial neural network. Brain is composed of individual cells called neurons. Neurons are connected to each other by synapses. The fundamental element of the neural network is called as neuron. A neuron mainly consists of three parts: dendrites, soma, and axon. Dendrites are the tree-like structure that receives the signal from surrounding neurons, where each line is connected to one neuron. Axon is a thin cylinder that transmits the signal from one neuron to other. At the end of axon, the contact to the dendrite is made through a synapse. The interneuronal signal at the synapse is usually chemical diffusion, but sometimes electrical impulses. A neuron fires an electrical impulse only if certain condition is met. The incoming impulse signal from each synapse to the neuron is either excitatory or inhibitory, which means helping or hindering firing. The condition of causing firing is that the excitatory signal should exceed the inhibitory signal by a certain amount in a short period of time, called the period of latent summation. As we assign a weight to each incoming impulse signal, the excitatory signal has positive weight and the inhibitory signal has negative weight. This way, we can say a neuron fires only if the total weight of the synapses that receive impulse in the period of latent summation exceeds the threshold. Whereas the neural network are simplified models of the biological neuron system, the neural network information processing paradigm model inspired by biological nervous systems such as our brain. The structure is, it is large number of highly interconnected processing elements, whereas the neurons working together inspired by brain. Like people, they learn from experience, that is by example, therefore train with known example of problem to acquire knowledge. The neural network adopt various learning mechanisms such as supervised and unsupervised. So these supervised and unsupervised are very popular. As we specified, we can have the number of nodes here. The nodes are x1, x2 and x3, where the input is given to x1, x2 and x3. And that input node has to be connected to the output node. Before we connect to the output node, we have to first set the threshold value, where the threshold is specified as theta. So each input node is connected to the output node with the help of a link. So for each link we have to assign a weight to it. So let the weights be W1, W2 and W3. Next we have to add a bias. So this bias is nothing but it adds an added weightage to the weight. So after checking the threshold value, we have to set the threshold value. If the threshold value is greater than the sum of the input and weight, then according to the activation function, the output is good. The activation function may be any type of function known as your binary function, bipolar function or the sigmoidal function. So this is the fundamental thing of the artificial neuron. So now let us have an example. So as we have specified, we have number of nodes. So let the input of the first node be 1 and the second node be 0 and the third node be 1. Now we have to assign the weight. So let W1 be 1, W2 be 1 and W3 be minus 1. And we have to add the bias value. So when we perform the operation, what we have to do is, we have to multiply the input with the weight. So that is x1 into W1 plus x2 into W2 plus x3 into W3. And together we have to add the bias. So here we have set the bias as 1 and the threshold as 1. So now what we have to do is, we have to find the summation of here. Then we have to set the activation function. So when we perform the values given, so what happens is sum is equal to 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1, which gives the value of 1. So we have set the threshold as 1. So now we have to check if the sum is greater than or equal to threshold theta, then the output is 1, else it is 0. So here we have got the value as 1, and if 1 is greater than or equal to 1, the condition is true. So the output we have got is 1. So this is the fundamental concept of the artificial neuron.